If you're in the market for a portable level 2 car charger, definitely going to want to check out this PERGEAR charger. This is a 40 amp portable level 2 charger. It's got a nice beefy cable. You can switch it anywhere from 10 amps, 10, 16, 20 amps, 24 amps, all the way up to 40 amps. It's got built-in thermistor in the plug and in the unit itself, so if it gets too hot, it'll shut down, which is great. Sometimes, you know, I'm an electrician, so sometimes these 1450 receptacles, the prongs get loose inside of them, the springs get loose, and these things will overheat. So that's really cool to see. It's got a little mount for mounting the dispenser here and holding the cord. Another little mount to hook this to the wall. It's got a great carry case to throw it in your trunk so it doesn't go all over the place. And yeah, I've been using it for the last couple months, charging my Chevy Bolt, and this thing's been great. It also has Wi-Fi communication in here. You can log into a website, connect to it with Wi-Fi, log into that website and see what your charger's doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I really have enjoyed using this charger. I have a plug-in hybrid and I have a Chevy Bolt, and so I needed something else, and this thing's been great.